Hello, student. Good morning. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about study of different types of switches, relay and connectors. Aim to study different types of switches, relay and connectors, list of electronic component, various types of switches, relay and connectors. Theory regarding the spectacle. Switches. A switch is used to make or break electric circuit. Types of switches: single pole, single throw SPST switch, single pole, double throw SPDT switch, double pole, single throw DPST switch, double pole, double throw DPDT switch. Various types of switches: toggle switches, micro switches, push button switches, rotary switches, thumb wheel switches, knife switches, lever switches, crossbar, multiple switches. Toggle switches. These switches are used for on off control of AC mains or DC power supply. Single pole and many pole and single or double throw toggle switches are used in electronic instrument, computers and domestic on off operations. Micro switches. These switches are of snap action type operated by pressure. They are used as limit switches, control or safety switches in electronic equipment. Push button switches. Single on off push button are similar to toggle switches. Multiple contact push button switches are known as slide switches. Rotary switches. The multiple pole, multiple way rotary switches are used in radio receiver, measuring instrument, etc. The diagram of various types of switches is shown in below given diagram. Thumb wheel switches. Single or multiple pole, decimal or binary coded switches are used in computer or measuring instrument. Thumb wheel adjustment with 10 position is available. Knife switches. These are used in power switchboard. Maximum current that can be carried by them is up to 300 ampere at 500 volt. Lever switches. These consist of an insulated rocker arm operating contact, locking and unlocking arrangement are available. Crossbar multiple switches. These are used in crossbar telephone exchanges. At a time, many contact can be done. Specification of the switches. First, maximum operating voltage. Second, current rating. Third, types of load. Fourth, capacitance. Fifth, insulation resistance. And six, change over time. Relays. Relay is an automatic switch that detects condition in circuit and causes the contact to change their position to close or open the circuit as required. Relay consists of some arrangement of electromagnets with an armature carrying contact. Relay has five terminals. These are two terminals and coil, pole, NC means normal close and NO normally open. When current is flowing through the coil, pole of the relay break the contact of NC means normally closed terminal and make contact with normally open terminal. Relay are available in various shapes and size. Relay are cheap, reliable, and they have long life. Types of relays: general purpose relays, AC relay, telephone relays, polarized relay, latch in relay, stepping relay, interlocking relay. Reed relay, dry reed relay, Farad relay, time delay relay, thermal type relay, rotary relay, moving coil relay, solid state relays. The diagram of various types of relay is shown in the above diagram. Specification of relay: rated voltage, rated current, rated frequency of the operation, operate and release time, peak up voltage, drop out voltage. Connectors. Connectors are used for joining piece of electronic equipment. The reliability and operation of connector depend on mechanical contacts and spacing between them. Temperature, current, voltage, corrosion, radiation, and insulation are the factors which are to be considered while selecting the connectors. Types of connectors. Auto connector. Auto connector are designed for audio and other low level signal applications such as test instrument, computers and medical instruments. Auto connectors are divided into two types: commercial auto connector and broadcast auto connectors. Commercial auto connector are used in high fidelity home type recording. Broadcast auto connector are used in interconnecting broadcasting recording studio, TV, computer and medical electronic equipment. The diagram of auto connector is shown in below given figure. RF connectors. These connectors are obtained in different types having dissimilar characteristics. For electrical performance, the connector size should be same as that of cable. These connectors are designed with impedance of 50 ohms and are used with cable of same impedance. RF connectors are available in bayonet and threaded type. Bayonet type can be connected quickly and Threaded type have better electrical performance and can withstand with vibration without producing excessive noise. Types of RF connector: BNC connector, TNC connector, UHF connector, multi-pin connectors, N-type connector, D-type connectors. These connectors are used in electronic measuring instrument for data processing and telecommunication industries. Types of RF connector. The diagram of types of RF connector is shown in below diagram. PC board connectors. These connectors are used in PCB types in printed circuit board. Receptacle. These connectors made directly with the edge of PCB card and therefore have no separate plugs. Two-piece connector. These type of connector are more expensive. These connector are used in military, commercial and industrial applications. USB connectors. USB connector are polarized and these can be connected only in one direction. Each connector has 4 contact terminals and 2 terminals for power, ground and data. Each connector is covered by plastic shielding. The diagram of USB connector is shown in given below diagram. Audio connectors. RCA and phone type connector are used in audio visual applications. Phonotype connectors. For headphone 1 by 8 inch connector are used. Phonotype connectors are available in 6.35 mm, 3.5 mm and 2.5 mm in size. For guitar and amplifications, for guitar and amplifications 6.5 mm jack, and for headphone MP3 and computer audio output 2.5 mm jack are used. The diagram of phonotype connector is shown in given below diagram. RCA connector. These connectors are used in audio-visual equipment. For example, MP3 system, TV, audio cables, home theater, etc. Female RCA is on the circuit board and male RCA is connected to cable. The diagram of RCA connector is given in above figure. Power connector. Power connector can carry data and power simultaneously, but some connectors carry only power. These are called as power connectors. Types of power connectors: Molex connector, IFC connectors, JST connectors. Molex connector. The diagram of Molex connector is shown in above diagram. IFC connector. The diagram of IFC connector is also shown in the above diagram. JST connectors. These connectors are of polarized type. Its construction is like hook so that we cannot connect it in reverse way. The diagram of JST connector is shown in above diagram. Pin header connectors. These connectors have pin on only one side. These connectors are available in single line as well as double line in the market. The diagram of pin header connector male female is shown in above diagram. Temporary connectors. Temporary connectors are available in various types: banana connectors, alligator connectors, and D-type connector. The diagram of temporary connector is shown below diagram. Conclusion. Various types and function of switches, relay and connectors have been studied. There is some assignment for you. Please note it down in your copy and show me later on. These questions are very important examination point of view. So please note it down in your copy. The first question is, what are the types of relays? What are the types of relays? The second question is, what are the types of switches? The third question is, what are the types of connectors? And fourth question is, what is the function of relays in electronic circuits? Explain the working of relays. What is function of connectors? Explain use of connectors in various fields. Okay, thank you student. Meet you in next period. Thanks.